The wiring diagram shown in the figure is known as a Wheatstone-bridge circuit. When the potential difference between points A and B is 0, the bridge is said to be balanced. For the resistance values given, the bridge is unbalanced, and it is desired to find the equivalent resistance of the circuit, the total current I, and the current in the 110 ohm resistor between points A and B. The equivalent resistance will be found by first transforming the delta-connected resistances X, Y, and Z into an equivalent star, and it will be represented by A, B, and C. The equivalent values of resistance may be readily computed by equation A, YZ divided by X plus Y plus Z. So that's 60 times 80 divided by 250 equal to 19.2 ohms. For letter B, XZ divided by X plus Y plus Z. 60 times 110 divided by 250. This will give us 26.4 ohms. For letter C, XY divided by X plus Y plus Z. 80 times 110 divided by 250. This will give us 35.2 ohms. Joining the resistors in series, 35.2 plus 84.8 is equal to 120. And 26.4 plus 33.6 is equal to 60. Now joining the resistors in parallel will give us 40, and adding it to 19.2 will give us 59.2 ohms. The total current is now I is equal to V over R. So that's 177.6 divided by 59.2, equal to 3 amps. To compute the current through the 110 ohm resistor, it will first be necessary to find the potential difference between points A and B. To do this, the currents through the two branches of the parallel circuit must be found. For the left branch, we have 60 divided by 120 plus 60 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 1 amp. For the right branch, 120 divided by 120 plus 60 multiplied by 3, we have 2 amps. The voltage drop across 84.8 or 35.2 will be now multiplied by 1. And the voltage drop across 33.6 or the 26.4 ohm resistor will be multiplied by 2. Therefore, the potential difference between A and B will be 84.8 minus 67.2, a total of 17.6 volts. Hence, the current through the 110 ohm resistor is 17.6 divided by 110, a total of 0.16 amp.